Everybody's so sad. And alright, how's everybody doing tonight? You should be excited. Okay, so I just want to tell you a little story. About 2 weeks ago, in the Ministerio de Música de Restauración, they went to do like they played a mass at Brown University. So we went there, and I just went there so, to pass out registration, to invite some kids over. Well, they're not kids, they're adults. So we went there, and as they were setting up all the instruments and stuff, I looked up, we were looking at the cute little chapel. It's so pretty, and don't forget to turn off your cell phones, please, and electronics. Alright, anyways, so that's my train of thought. Okay, so we were looking at the little chapel, we're like, oh my god, that's so cute, like Brown has a really cute chapel, and all of a sudden I look up and I'm like, what's that over there? And then I'm like, I pointed out to like Earth, and I was like, and it's on the organ, and I'm like, there's like a little, like tiny little white paper, like this big, so I'm like, what is that? So we all go up, and it says, why believe? And I was like, really? Are you serious? Somebody came into the chapel and put why believe. All of a sudden, I just got so mad, and I'm like, stupid kids. So then, whatever, so I turned around, we're all looking. All of a sudden, right in the middle of the altar, there's another one, and it says, why believe? I got up there, and I just ripped it off, and paint him off, and I was like, oh my god, I feel so bad, whatever. And I was like, why did anybody put that? Why believe? I think it's the most stupidest thing somebody could say. Why believe? But then I thought about it. And then I was like, a lot of people don't believe in God. Right? A lot of people don't believe in God. Half of my friends are atheists. And they make fun of me because I believe in God. And it's like, really? Seriously? Just because I believe in God, you make fun of me? Shouldn't it be the other way around? Shouldn't it be like, oh, we don't believe in God, ha ha ha, you're dumb. But we don't do that. We don't point at people and like, oh, you don't believe in God? Why not? Do you have problems in your head? Like, how can you not believe in God? Can you see everything around that He made? He made you. But people don't really think about that, right? Right. And it made me so mad during the whole mass. I was like, oh my god, I just want to punch whoever put that. Like, oh my god, I was so angry. Because I felt like they insulted me and then they insulted God. Because who do we believe in? God. So I was like, wow, I just wanted to say all these descriptive words I can't say here. And I was like, no, I'm in God's temple, I'm in God's house. These people don't know what they're doing. So I'm like, oh, forgive them, they don't know what they're doing. They've never experienced you. But then I thought about it more and more, and that whole week, it just kept bothering me. I'm like, why believe? Why believe? I believe, ciegamente, yo creo que Dios existe, yo creo que Jesús existe, yo creo que todo lo que nosotros hacemos es por Él, right? Some of us believe blindly. And it's true how they say love is blind, because we love God so much that we believe without seeing, right? Right. So then I was just thinking, and I was like, why do I believe in God? And then I was like, no, I can't think about those things, because ese es el diablo que Dios ofrenda. That's what He wanted me to do. Start doubting my religion, start doubting my faith, start doubting. But then I thought, a lot of us doubt God. And then we get mad at Him. And then we're like, why do I even believe in this guy we call Jesus? Did He really exist, or they made up the Bible? A lot of us have Yes, I believe everybody has. One point in their life, somebody here probably went through something horrible in their lives and was like, who is this guy and why is he making me go through this? And I thought about it and I thought about it. And then those are the people that are weak. Those are the people that have never really seen him. Those are the people that maybe have really never felt his love. Right? Thank you. And I was like, oh my God, I need to tell somebody. I was like, I need to tell people he exists. I'm like, I was like perplexed. I was like, are you serious? These past 2 weeks, I'm still angry about it. Why believe? Why? Why do you guys believe? Tell me, why do you believe? Because he's awesome. Why do you guys believe? Jesus, your life.
This is really corny, but have you ever looked up in the sky and it's like purple and orange and stuff? And then you look at it and you cannot find those colors in the crayon box. Trust me, I've looked. But anyway, like, all the pieces are colors. Like, when you look at it, it's like, I asked my friend Nathan, how do you look at the sky and tell me you cannot believe? How do you see something so beautiful?
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, how can you not believe in him? How can you not be like, who created the earth? Alright guys, come on. It's like, the sky is so beautiful, it's so blue, everything works perfect, everything in your body fits. Everything works perfectly. The world works perfectly. The solar system, why is like huge masses of like whatever the planets are made of, they're all circulating at the precise moment. They're going through the sun at the precise moment. It's like, why? How can you not believe in that? Right? And es la tierra que nos hace pensar en todas esas tonterías. Right? And then it's your friends. They're like, oh, can you prove he exists? Did you really walk on water? Did you see him? Have you ever seen him? And then you're like, yes. But then you're like, no, we can't prove it. And then you're like, yes, it's in the Bible. And then they're like, those are just old guys a long time ago that wrote stuff down and had like mental problems and sorry. A lot of people say that to your face. And then look, you're just like standing there and you're like, and you just walk away and you're like, and then you get just so frustrated because you're like, Dios mío, I quería entender, I wanted to tell him all these things, that you exist and you changed my life, and you're like, oh, but then it's like, and then you go to college, right, or high school and college, it's just, they mess with your brain. They're saying all these things, their teachers are like, he does not exist, it's just a book, they're fairy tales, it's science, we came from monkeys, and all these things, and we were cavemen, and all these like, oh, I'm like, what? No, I did not come from a monkey. Look at me, I did not come from a monkey. Please don't tell me these things, right? Somebody remind me, many of us Thank you, Blackner. Anyway, see now that we're there to talk. Okay. So we didn't come from monkeys. No! This is the stupidest thing. And then the Big Bang, all of a sudden, some tiny little microscopic particles randomly in the universe. Like microscopic, we can't even see them. We have to use like the 200 lens on the microscope to see these particles. And they all were just floating together one day out